So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable cookies in Safari. So the first thing you want to do is to open up the Safari app, which is usually located at the bottom of your phone once you open it up. So you can see it right here. It's going to look something like this. Your home page should look something similar to this. Now from here you can enable it when you go to a site that asks individually if you want to enable cookies, but that's maybe it's annoying for some of you, so we're just gonna go to settings. From settings we're gonna go all the way down here till you see apps. From here find the letter S, which should be right near the bottom, so you can see here the letter S. Open up Safari. Once you've done that, you can see here some of the settings of Safari. And once you scroll all the way down, go to advanced settings. So from here, you can see the option block all cookies. So from here, if you click on this, you will see the pop-up, are you sure you want to block all cookies? If you click on cancel, the cookies will still be enabled. So if this is turned on, make sure that you go to settings, then go to advanced settings for Safari, and you will need to turn block all cookies off in order to be able to have cookies on your Safari browser. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.